Welcome to Insider Style with Wynstan. I'm Holly and today I'm joined by the owner of this beautiful home, Robyn.
Hi, I'm Robyn. Welcome to my home. Come on in.
Robyn, how did you come to build this gorgeous home in Sydney?
We bought the house a long time ago, nearly 10 years, and we're living overseas at the time. Bought the house without seeing it and knew that we would have to do some significant renovations or knock it down. As it turned out, we had to knock it down because there was no redeeming features of the old house. We started by choosing a builder that had the facade that we liked, which was a Hampton style. That was about 5 years ago. Back then there weren't many builders that had that look. From there it was trying to fit the style of the house to suit what we started with, which was that Hamptons feel.
Were there any big obstacles or anything that you changed your mind with as you went through the process?
I think the obstacle was that I changed my mind a lot during the design phase. So the design phase took longer than it probably should have because I customised so much, I changed so much. But you know, you only build your family dream home once, so you've got to get it right. So I'm glad I did it.
And you're in Sydney's beautiful lower North Shore. How did the location and the lifestyle here influence your design choices as you were building?
We're not too far from the water, so I wanted to keep that coastal feel through the house, but also casual, not too formal Hamptons, suiting our lifestyle, and we've got young kids, so keeping it nice and clean and simple is what we were trying to achieve.
How would you describe that interior style that you've created here if you had to put it in a sentence?
Yeah, so I'd say the outside is more classic Hamptons and the inside is more casual, coastal sort of feel. I didn't feel like the formal Hampton style suited us, and I was really lucky. I worked with a interior designer at the end stages for the furnishings, and she's an expert on all things Hamptons, but she paired it back to suit our style, which was wonderful. So the reason why we love the Hampton style so much, I think firstly the facade and the feel of the look with the greys and the whites we love, but also from an interior standpoint, just that white, fresh, clean palette, and I think the indoor-outdoor feel, being close to the water, and just having that lifestyle that we love as Australians, being able to live indoor and outdoor.
Being a family home, what non-negotiables did that bring into the picture for you when you were building and designing?
Non-negotiable from a design standpoint for me was to have that sort of wow factor atrium in the entranceway and the high ceilings, just to give that feeling of space. And also just, again, with the facade, things like the Plantation Shutters to really finish off the look. They were some of my design features that I really wanted to bring in, but I learned a lot about window coverings through the process. They've made such a difference to the house. So in some rooms, the Plantation Shutter is amazing because it gives me the privacy that I want, but it still lets the light in, and it really gives the nice feel in each of the rooms. The Plantation Shutters at the front with that Hamptons look, giving the aesthetic and the street appeal, was a must. But then in other rooms like this one, the sheers are really just about giving that softness and that nice breezy feel that we wanted. In other rooms, it was really about form. Having those block-out curtains in our bedroom has made such a difference to my sleep.
What do you love most about your gorgeous home?
What I love most about my home is probably this space here. I love to cook and have the family around me while I'm doing that, and to entertain. We've got different spaces where we can sit with the adults and the kids can be off playing. Just having that relaxed sort of resort feel at home. We can swim in the pool, we can just chill here. We don't feel like we need to leave. We just want to stay here, and it's really nice.